Is Samsung about to release a phone that leaves iPhone and Pixel users green with envy? Could the S24 Ultra be the Android champion we've been waiting for? After years of just dipping their toes in, it looks like Samsung is finally jumping into the deep end with the S24 Ultra. We're talking a major glow-up that could take Samsung's next flagship to the top of the smartphone game. Let's start with the design. Leaks suggest Samsung is pulling out all the stops, with an ultra-premium titanium alloy frame that's stronger and lighter than before. We could be looking at a handset that's lean and mean. Titanium is the fancy material of choice right now, also rumored for the upcoming iPhone 15 Pro. But Samsung might beat Apple to the punch and give us that luxurious titanium sandwich first. The S24 Ultra may also bring back those gorgeous curved edges on the display that seriously up the wow factor, and they'll wrap around what could be a 6.9 inches panel, just a bit larger than the S23 Ultra's screen. It keeps getting bigger, people, but in a good way, with Samsung finding that sweet spot before things get too unwieldy. Of course, that display will be brilliant as always, with colors that pop and perfect blacks. But now we may also get an even smoother 144Hz high refresh rate. Silky smooth scrolling and animations? Yes, please. Once you go 120Hz or 144Hz, it's so hard to go back. Alright, now for the cameras, because the S24 Ultra could take mobile photography to the next dimension. It seems highly likely the 200-megapixel main sensor will make a return, but an even larger size means way better low-light shots. We could get ultra-clear night mode photos that put the S23 Ultra to shame. No more grainy or blurry snaps when that sun goes down. Zoom shots should also step up with a big 50-megapixel telephoto camera rumored. That's a nice upgrade from the 10-megapixel telephoto on the S23 Ultra. Portrait mode is about to get a whole lot sharper up close. Samsung may close the gap with Google and Apple when it comes to computational photography tricks. Now let's talk about what will power this photography beast. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, aka a processing monster. Combined with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM, the S24 Ultra may absolutely demolish any task or app you throw at it. We can't wait to see these benchmark scores because they might set new records for Android phones. Your social media feeds are going to scroll smoother than ever before. And even with all that power, a slightly larger 5,500 mAh battery means your S24 Ultra could go over a day and half per charge. No more battery anxiety or scrambling for a charger by evening. There should also be lightning fast charging that juices up in under 30 minutes. The S24 Ultra may never leave your side. One of the most intriguing rumors is a potential partnership between Samsung and camera company Olympus. Having specialized Olympus lenses and software would give the S24 Ultra's cameras a huge boost. This could help narrow the gap with other camera phones. We'll keep our fingers crossed for the Samsung x Olympus collab. Alright, let's quickly chat colors, because Samsung may have some hot new exclusives in red and green up their sleeves. These are colors that really stand out from the usual black and silver, and we should see the S24 Ultra itself arrive in February 2024, following Samsung's traditional schedule. So in summary, the Galaxy S24 Ultra looks set to blow people away with titanium design, a gorgeous curved display, pro photography chops, top-of-the-line performance and battery, and loads more. This really could be Samsung's best Galaxy S ever. It seems like Samsung is responding to complaints and pulling out all the stops for a phone that can go toe-to-toe with the iPhone 15 Pro and Pixel 8 Pro later this year. The S24 Ultra is shaping up to be an Android phone lover's dream. Stay tuned, folks, because 2024 is going to be an exciting year for phones. Well, that's all for today. We hope you enjoyed this early Galaxy S24 Ultra preview. Smash that like button if you can't wait to get your hands on it.